Advanced Forex Trading Techniques. We're going over advanced Forex trading techniques revealed to help you win in the currency market. Whether you're new to trading or want to improve your skills, this approach can help. Understanding market trends. First, let's discuss market trends. In Forex trading, it is critical to identify trends and patterns in currency pairs. Trends might be positive, negative, or within a range. Understanding trends allows you to make informed trading decisions. Technical analysis tools for advanced Forex trading techniques. Revealed technical analysis tooling is covered in the next section. Bollinger Bands help investors determine if conditions are overbought or oversold. MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, RSI, Relative Strength Index, and moving averages are some examples of these indicators. They help traders determine when to enter and quit the market depending on signals from the market. Risk management strategies. Effective risk management. Trading techniques are necessary for long-term success. We will discuss strategies such as setting up stop-loss orders, adjusting position sizes based on risk tolerance, and switching between currencies. When uncertain markets, these strategies can help protect your capital and minimize losses. Insights from fundamental analysis. It is important to understand the basic elements of trading techniques revealed, such as economic indicators, geopolitical events, and central bank policies in addition to technical analysis. These elements can affect currency values and direct your trading choices. Emotional discipline. The psychology of trading is a major factor in success. Consistent performance requires strategies like keeping a trading record, observing a trading plan, and managing emotions like greed and fear. Exploring advanced Forex trading strategies. Analyzing advanced Forex trading techniques. After we've covered the fundamentals of Forex trading methods, let's take a closer look at advanced strategies that can help you improve your trading game. Never forget that success in the volatile Forex market depends mainly on patience and never-ending education. Advanced methods of technical analysis. Beyond the fundamentals, skilled traders frequently employ advanced technical analysis techniques to gain a better knowledge of market trends. The Fibonacci recurrence is one strategy that employs the Fibonacci sequence to help discover potential levels of support and resistance. Fibonacci levels can be used in conjunction with other technical indicators to assist traders in pinpointing effective entry and exit points. Algorithmic trading and automation. In today's digital age, algorithmic trading is gaining popularity among advanced Forex traders. This entails employing computer programs or formulas to carry out trades based on predetermined criteria and parameters. Algorithmic trading enables quicker execution, less emotional bias, and the opportunity to backtest techniques against historical data. However, it needs a thorough knowledge of computer languages and market dynamics. Advanced risk management strategy. While risk management is essential, professional traders frequently use complex risk reduction techniques. This could involve using options or derivatives to hedge against adverse market movements, implementing advanced position size techniques based on fluctuation analysis, and employing dynamic stop-loss systems that adapt to market conditions. These strategies seek to save capital while increasing profit potential. Advanced fundamental analysis insights. In addition to economic research, professional traders analyze geopolitical trends, central bank speeches, and market emotion indicators. Understanding market psychology and analyzing news developments in real time might provide a competitive advantage. Advanced traders also focus on intermarket analysis, which involves examining connections between Forex, commodities, and equity markets to predict larger market patterns. Advanced trading psychology and mindset. Mastering trading psychology is a continual process. Advanced traders value discipline, patience, and resilience in their approach. They create mental frameworks to deal with losses, avoid overtrading during periods of excitement or frustration, and keep a long-term perspective in the face of short-term market volatility. Psychological resilience is frequently the defining characteristic between consistently profitable traders and those who struggle with emotional biases. Continuous learning and adaptation. Stay up to date on news and evolving trading tactics. Utilize artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques for data analysis and pattern recognition. Conclusion. Congratulations on exploring the world of advanced Forex trading techniques. Remember that successful trading needs continual education, adaptation, and the disciplined execution of strategies. Each transaction is an opportunity to learn, and you can work your way to regular prosperity with effort. Funding Move provides traders with funded trading accounts, allowing them to trade with confidence and access additional money resources. Are you ready to take your trading to new heights? Register on our website to learn about our funded account options, educational resources, and individual support. Join our worldwide community of traders who are achieving success in Forex trading with Funding Move. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your trading experience. Begin your successful trading journey with Funding Move.